Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial today on how to make this beautiful lace crochet motif piece. I am using a 2.5mm crochet hook for the tutorial. Just a disclaimer, there are a lot of fireworks going on today, so you may hear some background noise in this video. To start off, I'm just going to secure my yarn. I tend to hold it like this. We're going to go ahead, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 1, we're going to place 12 single crochets in the center. The first single or double crochet always counts as 2. So we've got 2 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Go ahead and slip stitch into that first space there. We're now going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. We're going to do this all the way around. We should have 6 bars in total. So chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to chain 3. I will slip stitch 3 chains up, so just here. Round 2 is complete. What we're going to do next is chain 3, and we're going to be placing 4 double crochets in these 6 spaces here, and in between them we are going to chain 4. So the first double crochet always counts as 2, so we've got 2 double crochets. Now we've got 3 double crochets. Now we've got 4 double crochets. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next space, double crochet 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet 1. Double crochet 2. Double crochet 3. Double crochet 4. Chain 4. In the next space, double crochet 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4. Double crochet 4. 2, 3, 4. Chain 4. And in that last space, double crochet 4. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna slip stitch 3 chains up from the first post. That is row 2 complete. 3. We are going to chain 1. We're gonna single crochet in the center of these clusters that we've made in the previous row, but we're going to be working the petals into these spaces here. We're going to put a double crochet in that space there. We are going to chain 1. We are going to double crochet again. We're going to chain 1 again, and we're going to double crochet again. So we should have 3 double crochets with a chain 1 in between. Then for the top of the petal, chain 3, and we're going to repeat this on this side. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, but this time chain 2, and we're going to do a single crochet in the center of this cluster here. Chain 2, and we're going to repeat that all around. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So we've got 3 double crochets, chain 3, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the center, chain 2, and same thing the next space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the center, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and the last space, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2. And to finish off with, we are going to single crochet in the center of that first petal there. And friends, that's the finished motif. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like, comment, subscribe. It does not cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and please do check out my other videos. Bye.